Before your shipping employees begin processing orders in FloorVisio, it is important to configure their employee settings correctly. These settings help prevent mistakes, reduce confusion, and protect your company from shipping errors. To review or adjust these settings, from the home page, click on View. Hover over Settings, and click Employees. Next, locate an employee who will be responsible for shipping work orders to your customer. And click Edit. Now we will scroll down to the setting of Must Scan to edit order. When this box is checked, the employee must physically have the work order in hand and scan the upper right-hand barcode before they can access or edit the order. This does two very important things. 1. It ensures they are working from the correct printed work order, and 2. It prevents them from accidentally shipping the wrong parts to the wrong customer. By requiring a scan before editing, you eliminate guesswork and dramatically reduce shipping errors. This is a simple setting, but it adds a powerful layer of accountability and accuracy to your shipping process. Next, locate the setting of Ship Selector. When this setting is enabled, the shipping options become available after the employee scans the barcode in the upper right-hand corner of the work order. This ensures shipping access is controlled. Together, these two settings create a secure and structured shipping workflow. This matters because shipping mistakes are expensive. They cost time. They cost freight. They damage customer trust. By properly configuring these employee settings, you build a safeguard directly into your process. Set it once and let the system help protect you every day.